Hi guys, it's Boardmaths again, and today I'll be taking us through trigonometry. So what is trigonometry? Trigonometry is the study of angles and sides. And we have 6 trigonometric functions. We have the sine, we have the cos, we have the tan, we have the sec, we have the cosec, and we have the cot. So now we can graph the trigonometric function. Let's take the graph of sine theta and cos theta. So the graph of sine theta, we know that our sine 0 degree is 0, our sine 90 degree is what? Is 1. Our sine 180 degree is what now? Is 0. Our sine 60 degree is what? Is minus 1. And our sine 360 lastly is what? Is 0. So let's take the graph of this from 0 to 360 degree. So we can graph this as this. We have our y and we have our x. So we have our 0 degree, we have 90 degree, we have 180 degree, we have 270 degree. Let me elongate the line. We have 360 degree. Then we have our x. So as you can see, sine 0 degree is what? Is 0. So it's coming from here. And sine 90 degree is 1. We have minus 1 and 1. So 0 degree. And because our sine is what? Is 1. Like this. And sine 180 degree is what? Is 0. Here. It's coming here. 0. And sine 600 degree is what? Minus 1. Here. Minus 1. And our sine 360 is what? Is 0. 0. So this is the graph of what? Of sine theta. So for cos theta, we know that our cos is 0. Is what now? Is 1. 0 degree is 1. Then cos 90 degree is what? Is 0. Cos 180 degree is what now? Is minus 1. And our cos 270 degree is what? Is 0. And our cos 360 degree is what? Is minus 1. Sorry, is 1, not minus 1. So our cos 360 is what? Is 1. So when we graph that, we have our y and we have our x. So 1 and minus 1, we have 0 degree, we have 1, then we have minus 1. We have 90 degree, we have 180 degree, we have 270 degree, and we have 360 degree. So now our cos 0 degree is what? Is 1. This is 1. It's coming from this side. And our cos 90 degree is what? Is 0. This is 0. And our cos 180 degree is what? Is minus 1. This is minus 1. And our cos 270 degree is what? Is 0. Yeah. And our cos 360 is what? Is 1. Is 1. So that is the graph of sine theta and cos theta. So under trigonometry, we have the quadrants, which is 4 quadrants. 4 quadrants. Under the 4 quadrants, we have the first quadrant, the second quadrant, third quadrant, and the fourth quadrant. Under this, we can call it as all students take chemistry. All angle less than 90. Angles greater than 90, less than 180 degree. Angle greater than 180 degree, less than 270 degree. Angle greater than 270 degree, less than what? 360 degree. So under this, we need to take note of something. Under trigonometry, when you are given an angle, relate the given angle to 180 degree or 360 degree to reduce to what? To acute angle. Then the trigonometric ratio will remain the same. But whenever you are given an angle and you relate the given angle to 90 degree or 270 degree to reduce to acute angle, the trigonometric ratio will change. Sine change to what? To cos, cos to sine, and cot to tan. So under that, we can define our first quadrant, second quadrant, third and what? And fourth quadrant. The first quadrant is this. As you can see, it's only the under the first quadrant, all are positive. It means all are positive. Sine, tan, and cos are positive. And this is where the angle 90 belongs to. Angle less than what? 90 degree. So we take our sine theta, we want to relate to what? To acute angle. By relating to acute angle, to reduce to acute angle, we relate to 90 degree because if the angle less than what? 90 degree. So if you relate to 90 degree, sine will change to what? To cos. And sine is positive here, cos is positive here. So we have cos 90 degree minus theta. So also cos theta is what? Sine 90 degree minus theta. Because you relate to 90 degree. Sine change to what? Cos. Cos to what? To sine. So cos is what? Positive. For tan, if you are to relate to tan theta, tan changes to what? To cos. Tan is positive here. So you have to relate to 90 degree. So tan changes to what? To cos. So we have cos 90 degree minus theta. So if we have to define our second quadrant, we can see that under the second quadrant, this angle less than what? 180 degree. It's only the sine that is what? Positive. So if you have to relate to 180 degree, because this angle less than 180 degree, if you have to reduce to acute angle, relate to what? 180 degree. Only the sine is positive. The trigonometric function does not change. So we have sine theta, we still mean as what? Sine theta, but here 180 degree minus theta, because we are reducing to what? To acute. Here cos remain the same, but cos is negative here, so we have minus cos 180 degree minus theta. And also tan will remain the same, but tan is negative here, we have tan 180 degree minus theta. So the third quadrant, we have this as angle less than what? 270 degree. It's only the tan that is what? Positive. And don't forget, whenever you relate to 270 degree, the trigonometric function will change. So our tan change to what? To cos 270 degree minus theta. And our sine theta changes to what? To cos. But here on the third quadrant, it is what? Negative. So we have minus cos 270 degree minus theta. Also, our cos theta is what? Minus sine 270 degree minus theta. So that's that. The fourth quadrant. So the fourth quadrant is only the cos that is what? Positive. And under the fourth quadrant, these are angle less than what? 360. So when you relate a given angle to 360 degree, the trigonometric ratio will remain the same. But here it's only the cos that is what? Positive. Take note of that. So our cos theta is cos 360 degree minus what? Minus theta. You are relating to 360. Remain the same. Then sine. But here sine is what? It's negative. So we have minus sine 360 degree minus theta. And here tan. Tan is negative there. We have minus tan 360 degree minus what? Minus theta. So we've already defined our first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and our fourth quadrant. So let's take some examples under trigonometry. Alright, so without using mathematical tables or calculators, evaluate the following. So let's take this following example. So we have cos 150 without the use of mathematical tables or calculator. We are asked what? To evaluate this. So we have solution. We have cos 150 without using table or what? Or calculator. So this is cos 150. So don't forget, whenever you are given an angle, relate the given angle to 180 degree or 360 degree. Then to what? To reduce to what? Acute angle. Then the trigonometric ratio will remain the same. Now let's try to relate to 180 degree to reduce to what? To acute. Then cos will remain as what? As cos. But take note of something. You are relating to 180 degree. But this is where 180 degree belongs to. But here it is what? The second quadrant. And cos is negative. So your negative will affect this side. So we have cos 180 degree minus 30 degree. So you've already reduced to what? To acute. So we have minus cos 180 degree minus 30 degree because it is what? It's 150 degree. So after relating to 180 degree, you take the acute angle. We have that as minus cos 30 degree. which is the same thing as minus 0.8660. So that's number A. And number B, we have tan 300 degree. So this is tan 300 degree. So if you are to relate this to 360 degree, to reduce to what? To acute. So don't forget, 360 degree is what? Is here. And here tan is negative. So negative value should affect here. So we have minus tan 360 degree minus 300 degree. Because 360 degree minus 300 degree is what? Sorry, 360 degree minus 60 degree. Sorry, is what? 300 degree. So you've already related to 360 degree, but the tan will remain what? Remain the same. But it is negative because we have the what? Fourth quadrant. So we have minus tan 60 degree. So our minus tan 60 degree is what? Is minus root 3, which is minus 1.7321. So number C, we have sine negative 1290. So this is a big angle. We have to reduce to acute angle. If you have to reduce this to acute angle, let's take 360. This is the same thing as minus 360 times 4 plus 150. Because minus 360 times 4 plus 150 will give this angle 1290. So, because minus 360 times 4 is 1440, and minus 1440 plus 150 will give you minus 1290. So you've already related the angle to 360, and here, after relating the angle to what? To 360, you notice that it belongs to what? To which quadrant? The fourth quadrant is 360. But here we still have 150 degree. We have 150 degree left. That means our sine 1290 is what? Minus 360 plus minus 360 in the bracket 4 plus what? Plus 150. So we have that as what? Our sine 150 degree. So you still have angle greater than 90 degree. So you still need to relate to 180 degree to reduce to what? To acute. So we can have that as sine 180 degree minus what? Minus 30 degree. Yes, sine 180 degree. 180 degree belongs to this side, and it's what? It belongs to the second quadrant. 180 degree. And sine is what? It's positive. So we have positive. You relate at first, you still have 150. Angle greater than 90 degree. So you need to reduce to what? Acute. Reduce this to acute. We have sine 180 degree minus 30. So that is sine 30 degree, which is 1/2. Okay, now let's talk about trigonometrical Argand diagram. What is trigonometrical Argand diagram? It is a diagram that shows where a particular angle belongs to. So here we have, don't forget, these are first quadrant, and these are our second quadrant, and these are our third quadrant, and these are our fourth quadrant. So under the fourth quadrant we have our angle, and the second quadrant we have 180 degree minus angle. Under the third quadrant we have 180 degree plus angle, and under the fourth quadrant we have 360 degree minus angle. And we should not forget, all students take chemistry, sine, tan, and cosine. Now we have the questions here. We are given if tan x is equal to minus 0.4560, find x between 0 degree and 360 degree. So if you want to solve that, we need to take note of the negative sign here. The negative value denotes that this tan angle belongs to the fourth quadrant and the second quadrant, because it is the second quadrant and the fourth quadrant that tan is what? Is negative. So we need to find the tan inverse of this. But the negative value, as I said, denotes that it belongs to the second quadrant and the fourth quadrant. So if you are to find the tan inverse of this, we have if tan x is minus 0.4560. So our x should be tan inverse. So the negative value denotes this, belongs to this and this. So we have 0.4560. So if you are to find the tan inverse of that on our calculator of 0.4560, we have that as 24.51. So our x is equal to 24.51 degree, but it belongs to the second quadrant and the fourth quadrant. So x is now equal to, under the second quadrant, 180 degree minus angle. That's 180 degree minus 24.51 degree, or fourth quadrant, 360 degree minus angle, which is 360 degree minus 24.51 degree. So our x is giving us 180 degree minus 24.51 is 155.49 degree, or 360 degree minus 24.51 is 335.49 degree. So as you can see, our value is between 0 degree and what? And 360 degree. So that's the solution for question 1. And now for question number 2, we have that if sine 3 over 2x, sine 3 over 2x is equal to negative of 0.5678. So the negative value here tells us that it belongs to the third quadrant and the fourth quadrant, because that is where sine is what? Is negative. The third quadrant and fourth quadrant. So we can have this as 3 over 2x is equal to the inverse sine of 0.5678. So we have 3 over 2x of the inverse sine of 0.5678 is 34.60. That's to 2 decimal places, 34.60, and our 34.60 is this, but this is our what? Is our angle. 3 over 2x is equal to, it belongs to what? It is negative, so it belongs to third quadrant and what? And fourth quadrant. So we have the third quadrant 180 degree plus 34.60, or 360 degree minus 34.60. So we have 3 over 2x is equal to, now what is 180 degree plus 34.6? 34.60, 180 plus 34.60 is 214.6, or 360 minus 34.60 is 325.4. So let's continue question number 2. Yeah. So we have 3 over 2x is equal to 214.6. That's 3 over 2x is equal to 214.6. That's 3x is equal to 2 times this. So that's 214.6 times 2 as 429.2. So x is 429.2 divided by 3. X is 143.1 degree, and this we have 3 over 2x is 325.4. We have 3 over 2x is equal to 325.4 degree. So we have 3x is equal to 325.4 times 2 as 650.8 degree. So our x is 650.8 degree divided by 3, which is 217 degree. So we can see that 0 degree is less than x, less than or equal to x, or less than or equal to what? 360 degree. So we have x as 143.1 degree or 217 degree, which is the final answer. Thank you for listening. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.